All right, welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're going to get into something really practical, something that gives you a quick way to start taking charge of your own health.
We're talking about diabetes blood tests.
Exactly. And for this deep dive, we're leaning on some fantastic guides from a source called Blood Test UK.
Yeah, they do a great job of breaking it all down. Our mission here is really just to show you how easy it is to get tested and, understand the good things that come from it.
Okay, let's unpack this.
So, to put it really simply, a diabetes blood test just measures the sugar levels in your blood.
Just to see how your body's handling it.
It helps you see if you might have diabetes, or if you do, it helps you manage it so much better. It's all about making smarter choices with food and, activity.
And the guides mention two main kinds of tests, right?
They do. The first one is probably the one people have heard of, the fasting test.
That's the one where you can't eat overnight.
That's it. You have to wait at least 8 hours. And then there's the A1C test, which is a bit different. It shows your average sugar level over the last couple of months.
Okay, so one is a snapshot and one is more like the whole movie.
That's a great way to put it. And here's the really fascinating part, the why behind all this. Regular testing. It stops tiny little problems from turning into really big ones.
Like what kind of big problems?
Well, the guides from Blood Test UK really stress this. It can help prevent things like nerve damage or even serious heart issues down the road. It's basically an early warning system.
I see. And for that to work, the tests have to be accurate. That's where that fasting thing comes in again, isn't it?
It's so important. For that fasting test, you really can't have anything but water for at least 8 hours. No food, no coffee.
Just water?
Yep. It's the only way for the doctor to see your true baseline sugar level.
Right, so you get a clean reading.
Exactly. And what's great is that this isn't some difficult thing to arrange. The guides really opened my eyes to how accessible this is, especially for our listeners in Goole.
Oh, that's right. They had a whole section on local options.
They did. If you live in Goole, you have so many easy places to get this done, there's really no excuse.
You don't have to go far at all.
Not at all. You can get tested at places like the Goole Health Center or just through your local GP surgery.
And I think I even saw some pharmacies mentioned.
Some select booths, and
Yeah.
the pharmacies offer it too. The point is, it's right there in your community. Super convenient.
So there are no real barriers to getting it done.
If we connect this to the bigger picture, all this knowledge, all this info we're pulling from Blood Test UK, it's really about turning numbers into control over your life.
It helps you have a much better conversation with your doctor, I imagine.
A much better one. And it helps you build good habits, like exercising more or just making slightly better choices with your diet.
Because you can actually see the results. It's real feedback.
Exactly. Testing helps you understand exactly how your favorite meal, or even just a quick walk, affects your sugar levels. So here's a thought. What small change could seeing your test results encourage you to make today?